To use the Bitcoin.com wallet, start by downloading and installing the application from the official Bitcoin.com website or your device's App Store. Once installed, open the wallet and click on Create a new wallet. Then choose your preferred language and currency. Next, you will be asked to create a password. Make sure it is strong and unique to protect your funds. After setting up your password, you will be given a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down and store it in a safe place, as this phrase will allow you to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you will see the main dashboard, which displays your Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash balances, as well as any other cryptocurrencies you have in your wallet. To receive Bitcoin, click on the Receive tab, and you will be given a unique address that you can share with others to send you Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin, click on the Send tab, enter the recipient's address, and the amount you want to send. Then confirm the transaction. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before confirming, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. The Bitcoin.com wallet also allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin using a variety of payment methods, such as credit cards and bank transfers. To buy Bitcoin, click on the Buy tab, select your payment method, and follow the instructions to complete the purchase. In addition to buying and selling Bitcoin, the Bitcoin.com wallet also provides a range of other features, including the ability to swap between different cryptocurrencies and to earn interest on your Bitcoin holdings. To access these features, click on the respective tabs and follow the instructions. To keep your wallet and funds secure, make sure to always use a strong and unique password, and to enable two-factor authentication. Regularly update your wallet software, and be cautious of phishing scams. And never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. By following these steps, and using the Bitcoin.com wallet's features and security measures, you can safely and easily use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and take advantage of the many benefits that they offer.